Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you for watching. In chapter 4, we described the basic order of the 29 sacred codes of the Quran. In this chapter, we reflect on the number theory of the sacred codes. And the argument of this chapter is that the 29 sacred codes that belong to domain of religion and number theory that belongs to domain of math are elegantly and intricately related. Adam number is a number whose square is the reverse of the square of its reverse. This is an example. In this example, 12 times 12 is 144. And reverse of 144 is 441. That is equal to 21 times 21. And 21 is reverse of number 12. This is another example. In this similar example, 113 times 113 is 12,769. And its reverse number is 96,721. That is equal to 311 times 311. And 311 is reverse of 113. The 29 sacred codes are in the beginning of 29 of the 114 chapters of the Quran, composed of 1 to 5 Arabic letters, and are without known meaning. The 29 codes have a total of 78 letters. Our calculations in this work are based on positional values of the Arabic letters from 1 to 28. For instance, the first sacred code, Alif Lam Mim, in the beginning of the second chapter of the Quran, is composed of 3 letters with positional values of 1, 23, 24. And the total positional value of Alif Lam Mim is 48. The 29 sacred codes are made of exactly 14 letters of the 28 letters of Arabic alphabet. 50% of the alphabets are used exactly. And exactly 14 designs. Here you can see the positional values of the 14 letters and the 14 designs. Sum of the positional values of the 14 letters is 286. And sum of the positional values of the 14 designs is 643, and these 14 designs are composed of exactly 38 letters. And 38 times 643 is equal to 24,434. This is the daily prayer format, 24434. And daily prayer format is related to the sacred code. In another word, the sacred codes and daily prayer format are intricately and elegantly related. And inshallah, we present supporting evidence for this statement in steps 3, 4, and 5 of this discussion. Sum of the positional values of the 14 letters is 246. These are important numbers. Sum of the positional values of the 14 designs are 643. And sum of the positional values of the 78 letters of the 29 sacred codes is 1221. And 1221 is between number 1220 and 1222. One 1220 is equal 10 times 122, which is an Adam number. And you can see that 122 and 221, both of them are Adam numbers here. And 1221 is equal 11 times 111. Both of 11 and 111 are Adam numbers. 11 times 11 is 121. 121 itself is also an Adam number. And 121 equal 11 times 11. So on this line we have 4 Adam numbers, 11, 121, and again 121 and 11. And 111, as you can see, is also an Adam number here, as we said earlier, but we're just showing it to you, to see how it works. And 121 also is an Adam number. Here we're going to add the two important numbers that we had in step 1, 246 plus 643 to 1221, and that is 2110 is equal 10 times 211, which is an Adam number, and this is how it works. Step 2. This time we're going to add the 246 plus 643 to 1222. When we do that, 1222 plus 246 plus 643 is equal to 2111, which is an Adam number. And of course, its reverse is also an Adam number, which is 1112. So right on this page, from 1222, we added 246 and 643. By that we generated 2111, which is Adam, and then the Adam numbers generated its reverse, which is 1112. Here, from step 2, we have 1222 plus 246 plus 643 equal to 2111. And then we also have reverse of 2111, which is 1112. We're going to add these up here. 1222 plus 2111 plus 1112. We get 4445. And this is an unbelievable number, because it is equal to 5 times 246 plus 643, the numbers that we generated in step 1. It's step 4. In step 1, we had 246 and 643. In step 2, we had 1222, 2111, and 1112. And in step 3, we had 1222 plus 2111 plus 1112, and that is 5 times 246 plus 643. Now what we see, you see, is unbelievable too. We're going to subtract 5 times 246 plus 643 from daily prayer format, which is 24,434. And this is what we get. We get number 2,221. That is reverse of 1,222, a number we started to work with 2 steps earlier. And together they are completing this beautiful mathematical structure. We continue this work, inshallah, in next discussion. Please write comments. That helps us make the work better. God bless you and have a nice day.